So just going a wee flight around Dunure Castle and Dunure Harbour.
Jesus, please don't be mad. I know that it makes you sad when I simply don't obey. I tried my best, I'd like to say. Jesus, please hold on when I simply don't have a song, and my heart can't give you praise. It doesn't care to even sing your name. But I still believe that you're bigger than all these things. When I can't find what to say, somehow, you know, that you love me the same. Jesus, are you even real? Sometimes I pray, but I still can't feel the peace that you claim you would give when we had a hard day. No, I really shouldn't ask, but do you record all my bads? Will they put me in hell? Or is that a myth that the preachers sell? I still believe that you're bigger than my unbelief. When I don't know what to say, somehow, you know, that you love me the same. Somehow, you know, that you love me the same. Somehow, you know, that you love me. Jesus, I'll keep trusting you, not always because I want to, but there's nowhere else to go. Your words feel different, this much I know, and I'll try my very best. At times it feels like life is just a test, like we were destined just to fail. Did you feel bad? Is that why you tore the veil? I still believe that you're bigger than all these things. When I don't know what to say, somehow, you know, that you love me the same. Somehow, you know, that you love me the same.
So that was Dunure Castle and Dunure Harbour. If you enjoyed that wee flight round, give us a wee thumbs up. Till the next time, cheerio then.